I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and permissions. Enable location and background access now so the link will update live. Once done, open the map or messaging app that issues shareable live links and pick the contact or create a group. Make sure the sender's device has stable data. Low battery or disabled background location will stop updates. Tap Share Live Location, set the duration if available, and copy the generated link to send. This gets you into active tracking quickly, no delays. Once you have the live share link, configure duration and any visibility options. Shorter durations limit risk, longer ones give continuous monitoring. Next, copy the link and paste it into the communication channel you control, message, email, or a tracking dashboard, and tell recipients to open it in the Map app. Make sure they see a moving pin or latitude/longitude updates. If they get a static location, ask them to refresh or reopen the app. This step ensures the link behaves as a live feed rather than a snapshot. You finish by verifying updates for a minute or two and then monitoring as needed. Keep an eye on signal and battery. If the feed stops, immediately check permissions, disable any battery saver modes, confirm the sender's mobile data is active, and ensure the app is updated. Restart the app if necessary. Finally, when done, revoke the share and turn off background location to protect privacy. This completes the flow and handles the most common failure points quickly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.